Hey everybody, welcome back. So we're gonna do a cookie. My sister had given me these elephant ear cookies, the Palmiers. I think they're called Palmiers. Yeah, so I looked up the recipe and it's real easy. 2 ingredients: puff pastry dough and sugar, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I just took this out of the freezer. I'm gonna have to let it thaw a little bit, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some sugar down, and I'm gonna put the puff pastry right on top of the sugar, and I'm gonna let that thaw a little bit, and then we're gonna just roll it out. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar on the dough, and I'm gonna roll it out. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Some more sugar. Now you can also mix other things with the sugar. You can mix cinnamon, cardamom, you know. Now what we want to do is we want to fold this side, then this side, this side, until it's right in the middle, and then you want it like this. I'm going to press all this sugar into it. Now we want to put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Let it stiffen up. Actually, we'll do it like this. So I'm just going to put this in the fridge, and then we'll be back. Okay. I thought I had my oven preheating at 350, but it wasn't. So now I got to wait for my oven. Now we're going to take a sharp knife. We're just going to trim the end, and we want to cut it up this way. We want to cut it about a half inch. Okay. Got a tray over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them. I'm just going to coat them in the sugar again, and I'm going to put them on the cookie sheet. And you want to spread the top out like that. You want to put them a couple inches apart because they are going to spread as they bake. I'm going to finish these up and then we'll be back. Okay, so these first batches came out. I did these at 350 for about 15 minutes.